So we decided to put the bees out. It's an opportunity to create employee engagement. So we talk about buildings, and it's real easy to talk about efficient lighting and all of those things related to building, but how do we get the employee to be engaged? And the bees are that way to do that. Is they come over here, they can see firsthand how their impact to the environment is. So this is truly about employee engagement. So we worked with Alveole. It's a corporate company that we have partnered with. They bring a local beekeeper. That beekeeper has hives throughout New Mexico, and so they've been bringing some over here. So the idea is if this takes off and we do educational webinars, that we will be bringing some additional bees and some more hives over here. So it's a way for us to continue to build our corporate responsibility to sustainability.
So Alveole has been partnered with Blue Cross Blue Shield nationally. This New Mexico site is one of 4 locations nationally where we have hives with Blue Cross. So we have hives in Montana, Chicago, in Dallas, Texas, and then here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So we're really thrilled about the partnership and to see this happening in different ways, shapes, and forms in different parts of the country.
I'll be checking the bees every 2 to 3 weeks and giving the employees an update of how their bees are doing, and they'll get to see pictures of the bees inside the hive. So I'll be doing that during the beekeeping season of March through October. These are kind of larger size colonies, so anywhere from 60,000 to 80,000 bees in each hive. So we have at least 120,000 bees here on the property. Their health is very indicative of the ecosystem around them. So as I do inspections of these beehives out here, we'll get to see how the colony health is, which is a direct reflection of the health of the ecosystem around them and the ecosystem that Blue Cross Blue Shield has a direct impact on. It just brings all these systems together, and the employees will get to see a direct reflection of the environment that they have an impact on working here.
But still a really great opportunity to kind of help people understand that even in urban environments and in city spaces, we really need and depend on pollinators to help everything be in bloom, to help us harvest crops and more.